Yeah, it's been a tough time. It's been a hard year. I feel like I'm always complaining about something. That's not who I am, but there's always something that comes up that gives me a reason to complain. Guys, the new immigration law means that I may not be able to go home or anywhere else for that matter for a very, very long time. Hello Sanibonani beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Thenjiwe, a South African content creator currently based in the UK, and thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I must apologize and warn you that the sound quality is not going to be the best because I am walking outdoors and I am vlogging using my phone. Today, as I do this vlog, it is Monday the 29th of March, and I am not sure when I will put it up. I will probably put it up on Thursday. And the news in the UK, guys, the new laws on COVID restrictions mean that I might not go home for another very, very long time. And I am already going crazy. I need to go home. Not only do I miss my family, oh, there's a banana. Okay, we also have planes passing, so please do excuse me for the sound. I am just loving the sound of the birds. The chirping of the birds is just the most beautiful. I'd like one more thing to remind me of home. I know it looks like it is warm, but please do not be fooled. It is still quite chilly. That's why I am dressed a bit warm. They have been talking about it for the past few weeks, and I was really hoping that it is not going to be made into law. It's not going to come into effect, but it has. And as of today, 29th of March 2021, if you leave England, travel outside England, you will be subject to a fine which can be up to £5,000. £5,000, guys. That's a lot of money. That's over 100,000 rands. And yeah, this means we can't go home, because they say in order to avoid the fine, you must only leave if you have a reasonable excuse. And a reasonable excuse does not count going to see your family, does not count just visiting another country. It's the list is if it's for medical treatment. Anyway, let me just read the list for you so that I do not tell you wrong information. I know it is necessary to make sure that we stay protected, to make sure that people stay safe and we do not pass on the virus. But guys, it is hard to know that we can't travel anywhere. It's been a year already of just doing nothing other than YouTube videos. There's just been no life, no going anywhere. And at the moment, we don't even have pubs that are open. We don't even have restaurants that are open. So life has just been static. So it is really starting to take a toll on my mental health, because I am a very sociable person. I love to socialize, I love to travel, and I don't know, I'm really stressed about it now. And it's not just the 5,000. Also, you must remember that when you come to the UK, especially from South Africa, because it's a list of 32 red countries, and South Africa is part of those countries. You have to do a 10-day quarantine, a mandatory 10-day hotel quarantine in a hotel where you have to pay £1,700, and that's still also a lot of money. That's about 35,000 rands. And imagine having to pay the fine again, and flight tickets are not cheap. I don't know, maybe traveling is about to be just for the super rich, and us people who just work hard are not going to be able to afford traveling anymore. Because even if you can afford a holiday, how are you going to afford to pay all these fines and all these quarantine hotel fees? It is just too much, guys. It's too expensive. Yeah, I am not loving it. I am not loving it at all. There is a main road on that side, which is why it is so noisy. There are cars and other forms of transport that are passing by, and it stretches like it's a very long canal. It actually can take you to the Thames in London. So it is nice to come here, and I was just walking without a purpose, but then I thought, since I have my phone and I've just read this news, let me just share this with you so that I'm not the only one who is stressed. Please do tell me what it is like where you are. Are you guys allowed to go on holiday, or do you also have to pay these hefty fines that we have to pay here? I'm trying to avoid the shadow. I do actually like coming to walk here because it's always nice and busy, and you are never alone. There are always people walking by. I'm walking across the bridge. Yep, this is where I have to walk in England. Nothing is paved in gold. Nothing is paved in gold. Do not believe the lies. So yeah, guys, I don't know, I'm so stressed. I didn't even mean to go shopping. I was just walking to stretch my legs, but now I have to go to a shop. I have to go to a supermarket, get me something that's gonna make me feel better. I don't know what it is, but I know when I get there I will find something. And I don't know, I was really looking forward to going home in the summertime, and yeah, I don't know. No, not even just going home, going somewhere on holiday, somewhere in Europe, just anywhere, just to get out of here just for a bit. But yeah, it is what it is. We are stuck here. There is nothing that I can do about it. Please do let me know, have you guys been able to go on holidays during lockdown? I was only able to travel once. That's when I was coming from America into the UK. When lockdown first happened, I was in America, and I thought it was just going to be for a month, so I stayed there. And then when we saw that it's just carrying on, I had to travel, and it was not a nice experience to travel during quarantine. I literally traveled alone. I've got a video on it. I will put it somewhere here, when I was traveling during quarantine. I am really thinking now I have to re-strategize and replan everything, because it cannot work the way I planned. It's just not gonna be, it's just not gonna happen. A lot has to change. And it's been a year, guys. Like, a year is a long time. And now I'm even considering looking for a job, not even just for the money. Yes, I need the money, but also the social element of being with other people. I can't just be, I'm a sociable person. I need to interact with people. So I'm thinking of looking for a job, and I will see. I will keep you informed. I will keep you updated if I find anything, or when I start looking. If there's anything you can recommend that you think I will enjoy, definitely not anything in the office. Number one, most people who work in offices are working from home. I do not want any office job, and I do not want to work from home. I want something where I can get up and go to work, where I can interact with other people. So please do recommend anything that you can think of, that you think I can do. Just a few hours a week, just so that I can get out and meet other people and socialize and see other people. Hi, Ben. Sorry. No problem. Come on. So that was just a cute dog that was passing by. I never thought that I would find dogs cute, but now I do. That's a story for another day. It is what it is. Things have changed, and I need to also accept the change and change a few things about my life, around my life. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go crazy. Obviously, there won't be any shows, there won't be any tours coming anytime soon. And I don't know, I need my brain to work differently. I need, you know what I mean, guys. I'm sure a lot of you can understand what I'm going through. I am so disappointed because I kept postponing committing to things, because I was thinking, what if I commit to something and then the borders are open again, I'm able to travel, and now this. So it's definitely going to be some time before anything can happen. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated. I'll let you know about my job search and everything. I'll let you know what's happening. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button, and please do not forget that by liking the video and also commenting, it does help the video and it does help the algorithm on YouTube. I love you and I will see you in the next video.